Welcome back, students. Let's take a moment to review what we have learned about the Big Six research model. The Big Six is a model to help you conduct research. It is made up of 6 parts: task definition, information-seeking strategies, location and access, use of information, synthesis, and evaluation. The first step is task definition, where you will identify what the problem is and determine what information is needed to solve it. Step 2. Information-seeking strategies. Find a variety of sources, evaluate, and select the best one to help you complete your task. Step 3. Location and access. Locate sources and find information. Step 4. Use of information. Engage with the resource by reading, viewing, listening to, or interacting with it. Then, extract the information you need. Step 5. Synthesis. Organize the information you have and present it. And Step 6. Evaluation. Reflect on how efficiently and effectively your product and process was. By the end of the lesson, you have become familiar with the Big Six model by watching the introduction video, taking the pre-assessment, watching another helpful video that further breaks down each step of the Big Six model, and watching the conclusion video. The final step is to use the handout provided. The Big Six handout, located on the blend space, reviews the Big Six, lists each part of the Big Six, and includes 5 helpful links for you to explore. You can refer to this on the research assignment coming up, but also many others in the future. Don't forget to apply the Big Six in order for your research assignment to be a success. Best of luck researching!